Hey everybody, welcome back to Dad Does Videos. Today I'm coming at you from outside my house where I wanted to give you a quick review on these Bel Air Oxford lights that I put up on my house a couple years ago. I probably should have done it a year ago because they were looking the same way. They can be bought at Home Depot, Walmart, a variety of different places. They come in a few different sizes. The ones I have right here are 12.5 inches. The ones on my front door I will show you shortly. Those are 17 3/4 inches. But look at this. Look at this wear right here. They're rusting out. Not as bad on the top, but on the bottoms all the way around. And not only that, let me see if I can get a good shot, but look at this glass piece. It's completely coming out. Just terrible design. Look at the bottoms, all rusted out. And I have 3 of these outside. This is the first one. Here's the other light on the other side of the garage. So as you can see, it's not just an issue with one of these, right? You can see, look at this, completely rusting out on these sides, even at the top up here as well, underneath. Same kinds of problems. The glass on this one seems to be doing okay, but I'm assuming it's just a matter of time before that starts to fall out. And here is the third light on the back porch. Again, as you can see, similar types of issues, only a couple years old. See in the corner up there, it's starting to rust. This should not be happening, but I wanted to make sure I gave you a look at all the lights that we have from this brand in this design to showcase to you that the bigger ones seem to be okay. The smaller ones seem to have an issue with weathering way too soon for an outdoor light. And it's not just one of them. It's not like I got a faulty one. All 3 that I have in this size are doing the same thing. And here are the ones out front right by my front door. These are the 17 3/4 inches ones, and these are perfectly fine. Look at that, after 2 years, really no issues. This is what I expect when I buy something that says it's rated for outdoor use. It shouldn't have a problem like this. So here's the first one on one side of my door, and here's the other one on the other side. As you can see, their condition looks about the same. No issues at all. We really like the design on these, so I'm happy to see that these are in good shape. Again, only 2 years. And here's the light on top of the post. I did another video on this that you can check out when you have a chance, but again, condition of this one is in perfectly fine shape. I will say though, even though these are out of warranty, I did get in touch with the manufacturer. They did ship me 3 new ones of these, so I have to put those in shortly. Hopefully they last longer than a year or 2. Hopefully they've updated the specs on them to make them a little bit more resistant to some of the outdoor weather. And again, we don't live anywhere where it's extreme heat or extreme cold. We live in the Midwest. We get a few days in the summer that are really hot. We get a few days in the winter that are cold. We get rain, but nothing like this should be causing these to corrode like this so early. I lived in houses that have had outdoor lights for years and years, and they haven't looked like this.